Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to AirPlay Crunchyroll to TV. So first of all, launch settings on your mobile devices. Once you come here, go ahead and tap on connected devices. Now over here, you'll see the option of Smart View. Tap on it. Now once you come over here, you'll see the devices that are nearby to you, like your Apple TV or Smart TV. You can simply tap on it from the list available, and then your device will be connected to Apple TV or Smart TV. Then what you can do is open Crunchyroll application. Once you come here, tap on a show you wish to watch. From here, tap on an episode you wish to play on AirPlay. Now over here on top you can see a square button. Tap on it. Now over here you'll see various lists of devices like your Apple TV or Smart TV. Make sure that your device and your Smart TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi. So once you see the devices available, you can simply tap on it and you can AirPlay Crunchyroll to TV. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.